Alright, hey guys, it's been a while since we've posted a video, and I'm gonna blame Dale on that because he has about 3 videos worth of footage, but hasn't been able to send them to me yet, so I'm gonna blame Dale on that. I guess you guys don't actually know who Dale is because he hasn't been in a video of ours yet, but you'll see his truck and his car probably coming up soon in a couple of videos. But I'm gonna start posting again. I got a lot of stuff to do to my truck, the blue OBS, and some things have changed since you guys have seen it last. We did that walk around video. That was probably about a year ago, but here it is now. So we got some stuff done to it, if I can focus on it. We have new tires, so they're wheels and tires. They're General Grabber 82s. I actually bought them off Facebook Marketplace. They're 12.5 wides on 33-inch tires. What else have you guys seen? You guys saw the tow mirrors, headlights and signal lights. I feel like you guys have seen those. I can't remember. Because of the tires, we have new mud flaps, so they're Husky kickback mud flaps. I guess you guys haven't seen the tailgate. I got a tailgate. That's a video coming up soon here. I'll be painting the tailgate. Got a couple things to paint. But yeah, I got a big list of stuff. This is all stuff that I want to do before winter on the truck, and then on the back side here I also have a bunch of stuff that I want to paint on the truck before winter. So here I got a bunch of parts here on the bench that'll be going on the truck within the next couple videos probably. I'm not going to get it all done today, but yeah, I think today I'm going to start with I'm going to do the spark plugs and wires and the rotor. I got them here. I can open them up in a second here. Start with these because I feel like they're going to be something easy just to get into it. But yeah, we'll unbox the rotor, or I guess the rotor and the spark plug wires. These are the spark plugs, nothing special, just pretty much OEM spark plugs, but just from Canadian Tire. I got these from Summit Racing, so these are the new spark plug wires. Here are the new spark plug wires from Summit Racing that I got. Chose blue because my truck's blue, and I'm just kind of doing small little blue accent stuff. So it came with some organizer, little clippy things, and the new cap and rotor. Not sure why this had to be blue. It's not like you're ever gonna see it. But alright, let's get into it. So everyone knows, before they start trying to fix their spark on their vehicle, I'm not a mechanic. This is not a tutorial on how to do this. I'm just doing it on my truck and filming it. So they're numbered there. Well, it says C, but 6, 4, 2, 8. You can kind of see the 2 there. There you go. So they're also numbered on the old spark plug wires, but for some reason my new ones aren't numbered. So I'm gonna leave the old spark plugs in, or old spark plug wires in there, get my rotor all like wired up and brought down, and then I'll bring them to the right one. That made no sense. You'll see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fucking throw the rotor in there and wire it properly. You can see that right there, that little yellow crusty dusty boy. That's what we're replacing with the new blue one. The rotor is all crusty and dusty and burnt up in there. And look at that, the bottom tab, focus. There we go. This bottom little piece here is all corroded. It's all green. So, probably a good thing I'm changing it. As you can see, it's not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to look new and shiny. Alrighty, so had a little dilemma, but got it figured out. Got the new rotor cap in there. Hopefully it's in there good enough. Got this one hooked up already here. So got that one hooked up already. Easy one. So I have number 2. Oh fuck, come here. So I have number 2, which is actually going on the passenger side, the closest to the front, but I'm replacing the spark plugs also. So I'm gonna go grab that. Alright, so a little update here. I got all the new spark plugs on this side, passenger side, with wires in. They're all going to the rotor, going to the right little terminal area. I'm gonna move on to the other side, over here, and get these ones done. Alright, well, got the driver's side done. Wires they're a little longer than factory, the Summit Racing ones, but I don't think that would be too big of an issue. I'm gonna throw the air filter back on. Not that I want to. I want to get a cold air intake, but you know, money's a thing. So a little added part of the video that I'm just gonna throw in here because I don't really have anywhere else to throw it in. So this here, I'm gonna get rid of this big bongo drum and just put a 2-inch rubber PVC cap on the end of this, because it's kind of like putting a cold air intake on your vehicle instead of spending $500, $600 on the new one. So I'm gonna throw that on here now. Alright, so I got the silencer off, got the cap on. Not gonna lie, it's a very tight fit, but it is possible. It was all this silencer was held on with was a like 10mm bolt right there, and then literally just this hose clamp. So I'm gonna pretty much throw this to the side. Probably won't use it anymore unless anything goes bad with this, which I don't think it will. And then toss this bad boy back on. Set the camera down somewhere.
Run down my spine from memories of worse of fun.
Don't yet have a good air filter in here. It's still a factory one, but I will be getting one soon. I just couldn't find one at Canadian Tire. I don't know if they hide them in the back. I just didn't really feel like asking, so I just didn't. I just have a factory one here. I will be getting a better one though. So there's my cheap and easy cold air intake that Mr. McAllister Donald taught me, because he's had many of these vehicles. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.